Can you see this? Right in front where the stuff is. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, Joey doesn't like it. Joey hates it. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. Just wait. You will not believe it. Horrible. Just horrible. Look at this. This is the creek next to our house. This is the creek. I don't know if I'm talking loud enough or not. But look at it. See it? It is in bad shape. Look at this. The pipe that goes for the water, excess water in the yard over there, it's on the water. Think that's something. Just wait till you see what else. Man, is it something. Just wait. Look at that. Look. See? That one's underwater too. Wait till you see this. Look. Standing water. Uh-oh. Standing water. And then I come over here. Wait till you see this. You won't believe it. Look. Water standing. Look. Look. Look at that. Normally, this creek is usually trickling with water or dry. So this is really something. Look. Think that's something. Look at this. Look! Standing water, look! Look! Standing water! Everywhere I go just about.